Hi, it's John here from yournetbody.com. Today we're going to create an opt-in page so where we can capture people's email addresses. So first of all, you need to go to your website if you're using WordPress, and you go to your website name /wp-admin and log in. Yeah, you put your name, password, and log in. Right, then we go to, on the left-hand side here, we go to Pages and Add New. And where we've got title here, we're going to call it Opt-in Page. And then we'll publish it. And then we're going to launch Thrive Architect. I find this to be the best all-round WordPress site builder, and it will build all the pages that you're likely to need. Right, so here we go. We're going to select a pre-built landing page, save some time, and we can scroll through here. You've got all different types of pages, and I'm going to scroll down here. Let's have a look at this one here. There we go. There's quite a simple opt-in page. So Smart Lead Gen, we'll select that one and apply template, bottom right hand corner. There we are. The first thing we need to do is click on where it says email for lead generation, and then on this left hand column we want to add a connection because we want to add it to our autoresponder. So we'll click add connection and choose the connection. I use get response, and I've already added the API to this, but here we are, it's listed here, get response. And once it selects get response, it'll ask which mailing list you want to add it to. So I'm going to click on the download on the drop down menu and click 12-step action plan. And this is the cycle day is 0. So that means that it will send the first email out that's in that list straight away. If I wanted to send it out to them on the next day, then I would put a 1 in here. But we'll just leave it as 0 for now and click apply. Let's see, if you for example was going to use a lead magnet, if you was going to give away a book, you could actually add it in here. If I was to click on the right hand side here where it says plus to add an element, click on there and then just click on the image icon, just click on it and drag it onto here. And I could drop it and it'll say select a file. So I want to upload a file, so click on there, find the file you want to upload. Is an image of the ebook. That's it. Then just click on the one you want to add and insert into post. And then you can just change the words here. So sign up to get your copy of, and we'll say it's easy as that. Let's say enter your email address below to get your guide to, and we can just change this here. So just highlight the brackets and the words in between, and we'll call it our weekly newsletter with subscriber exclusive. So we'll delete that bit and just leave it as cheat sheet. There we are. Email there and then get it now. So we'll just save our work in the bottom left hand corner, save work. That's it. So if I open a new tab now and put in the name of the website and then / opt-in page, there it is. So there's your lead capture page offering a lead magnet. There's a couple of more stages that we need to do. Normally you would now create in exactly the same way a thank you page, which will have a button on it that they click on to download the ebook that they've just signed up for, which means that you also need to get that ebook uploaded to your hosting so that you can instantly download it from the thank you page. So I'll show you that in the next video. Thank you for watching.